All right, so you ready?
Okay,
All
I
right.
am. Where's my garlic? Here. Now I'm ready.
All right. Ready.
Are we really just gonna wing it?
Just wing
Totally?
it.
Okay.
All right. All right. So here we are, another episode of Ohio Cooking, 2 in a week. Crazy. This is my friend John, and he's got his own cooking show called the Ivy Stump Kitchen. That's in his kitchen, in a different whole state. It's crazy. He drove all the way from another state this morning just to be here. And what are you gonna make?
Today we are going to make a Middle Eastern dip called Muhammara.
He's a good cook. Not like me. I just kind of goof around. He knows how to do things.
All right, should we start?
Let's go for it.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to start with a couple cloves of garlic. We're going to put these in a food processor, and we want to crunch these up first because it sort of seems like if you try to crunch those up with everything else, sometimes you end up with some big chunks.
It's a very fancy food processor.
Oh, well, thanks for noticing. All right, there we go. I think we're good there.
He brought his own food processor.
Now we're going to do walnuts.
I love nuts.
I think we're going to pulse a little bit after those as well, just for the same reason. All right, we got those going.
It already smells good.
Exactly. Garlic and
Garlic.
walnuts, delicious. Okay, here I have some roasted red peppers. I bought a jar of them already made and ready to go. You could also roast your own, 2 or 3. You decide.
If you're extra fancy. It's a good noise.
Okay, there we go. Those are in. Now we've got a half a cup of breadcrumbs. Use any kind you like. These are fresh breadcrumbs. They're sort of soft. I brought them from home, but you can use like panko too. I've used all different kinds and they all work. Okay, I am going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste.
My mom used tomato paste for everything when I was growing up.
Well,
It was the number one ingredient.
it's good stuff. Okay, half of a lemon.
What do you do with the other half?
Well, we can have some iced tea.
Okay.
And I think a seed just went in, but
It'll get chopped up.
we're going to just put that right in.
You're really squeezing everything out of that guy.
Yes. All right. Now, spices. We're going to put in about a tablespoon of paprika.
That smells great.
About a tablespoon of chili powder.
Spicy.
Yeah. Just a little bit of cumin, not a tablespoon at all. More like a quarter or a half teaspoon.
I see you do a lot of stuff kind of by eye.
Well, I do.
Some real stuff the fancy cooks do it.
I cook a lot, so you can measure or you can just kind of do it however you want. This is a little cayenne pepper just went in to give it a little zing. We would like just a dash of sea salt or kosher salt, whatever you have. Want about a tablespoon of sesame tahini.
Love tahini.
Good stuff.
That's really good tahini. I didn't know you could just buy it at a
All
store.
right. Let's see, what have we forgotten? Oh, our molasses, our pomegranate molasses. This you can usually find in like the exotic area of your grocery store where they have the Middle Eastern.
Ooh, that's thick.
Thick
Nice.
and rich and delicious.
Have you ever heard about the molasses disaster in Boston where they flooded the harbor with molasses?
No, it sounds
It was crazy.
crazy.
It might not have been Boston, but it was someplace in the olden days. It was a disaster.
Looks to me like we have everything except our olive oil. So we want to put in a little bit of olive oil.
Did we get this one? Oh,
Well,
yeah.
the sumac, I think I'm gonna, that is sumac, but I'm going to garnish with
Isn't this
that.
dangerous?
Is it?
Poison sumac. That's when I was a kid,
Oh.
we were all afraid of poison sumac.
Oh, well, I've been eating it,
Oh
so
my gosh, you're brave.
let's say that's a couple tablespoons. All right, here it is. It's all in the food processor. A big mess of ingredients. Turn it on. Just let it go until it makes a thick and rich, creamy dip.
Whoa. That's pretty exciting to watch. It's like transforming before our eyes.
It is. It looks as if
That one of those peppers.
a
that we
pepper
put, right?
is stuck on the thing in the middle. I'm assuming that, well, we might have to actually move that around.
Poke. Gotta give the pepper a poke.
The pepper was balancing itself on the... There we go.
Oh, yeah.
You can smell it already. It's delicious.
Now it's eating the pepper. Real good.
Now, you can vary these ingredients to your taste. If you like it a little hotter, put in a little more cayenne pepper. You can leave the tomato paste out or put it in. I've seen recipes both ways. I like to put it in. I think more red. You're trying to make a red colored dip, so you put in some more red. It's really done. All right, here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Delish.
Mmm, smells fantastic.
All right, now we just want to plate this up. Oh, I wish you could smell it.
I know, I keep on
Why
saying
have they not invented smell-o-vision?
Right? Oh, these feel good too.
Oh, wonderful. We have some pita bread coming out of the oven that Doug's getting because you serve the dip with pita. Can I dump this onto the plate or no?
Sure, dump away.
Oh, do we have a... Yeah.
Or I can get a bowl if you want or whatever.
Whatever. We'll just dump it right on here.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oops. Okay, that's
Amazing.
that. Now I've got a little sumac here.
For garnishing, but
garnishing.
not poisonous.
It's not poisonous as far as I know.
But don't run out in the field and eat some sumac.
And
because...
sometimes another little drizzle of pomegranate molasses is fun too.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
Okay, that's
so
it.
To eat. Let's eat some.
Let's eat.
Oh my god. That is a beautiful thing to eat.
Mmm, delicious.
Wow.
Muhammara, Middle Eastern dip.
Amazing. Thank you.